Hi there, let me show you a handy trick for this kind of cases where you have several samples and several files for each sample. So in this example case that we have here, we have 6 samples, and for each sample there are 2 files. So for example here, for sample 1, we have file number 1 and file number 2, so these would be the read pairs. And same is true for sample 2, sample 3, 13, 14, 15, and so forth. So what you could do is just select the pairs, and then for example in the alignment section select the tool that you want for paired end reads in this case, and then click run tool for like one job for this sample, and as a result you would get a BAM file for this sample 1 here. Now this is doable since we only have 6 samples here. It's several clicks, but let's say that you have 30 samples, and then it would be quite a task and quite many clicks. So what we can do instead is use the rectangular selection to select all the files and all the samples, and then go to the run button, and here you can see this define samples to enable run for each sample. So if we click that, this window will open and you see all your samples listed here. It's a paired end case, so we have 1 and 2 for each sample, and usually the forward identifier is like read1 or R1 and the reverse one is R2, but in this case you can see that it's actually something else. So we could in this case say, for example, it's 0.1 point, and for the reverse samples it would be 0.2 point. Now if we click find pairs, you can see that it's organizing the data accordingly. So here you can see now your samples, so sample 1, sample 14, 15 and so forth. After you have confirmed that this looks okay, you can just click save, and now it should have the information about your samples saved. So if we again select all of them like so, and now go to the run, you can see that there's this option now, run tool for each sample, and it's saying that it will launch 6 jobs because there are now 6 samples. So now I can just click this, and you can see that 6 jobs are launched, and as a result we get the result files for each of these pairs. You can find the option for defining samples also on the workflow view if you select the samples and use the right click of mouse. You can see here the define samples option. Hopefully you will find this new feature very helpful, and it will at least reduce your clicks. Thank you!